Hello guys! Welcome to Psychology of Freedom. So since na-enjoy ko yung last na content natin, which is all about interpreting the song of an ENTP na si Pablo, yung song niya na Laluna, today uulitin natin siya. So this time, ang i-interpret naman natin na song is yung song ni Unique Salonga, which is an INFP. Yung song niya entitled Bukod Tangi. So, yan. Interpret natin kung anong ibig sabihin ng song. And titignan din natin kung makikita yung personality niya through the song. So, paano makikita yung personality niya? Titignan natin kung lalabas yung cognitive functions niya, interaction style, temperament, dun sa song. So, wala naman nag-request na to. It's just my personal choice kasi I think interesting din tong song na to ni Unique. So, before we start, i-review muna natin yung personality type ni Unique. So, as you can see, wala pa akong typing video for Unique, pero alam ko na kasi yung personality type niya. He is an INFP, also known as the dreamer. So, brief description lang ng personality ng mga INFP. Meron silang introverted feeling hero. So, ibig sabihin, heroic sila when it comes to morals and principles. Ito yung mga tao na sobrang taas ng morality, yung moral conviction nila mataas. FI din is all about value judgment. So, aware sila kung anong importante. Aware sila sa values nila. Aware din sila sa sarili nilang feelings kasi FI is all about one's own feelings. And aware sila of the good and bad judgment. Ayan. Ano pa ba? FI users then are very sympathetic towards others. Alam din nila kung ano yung self-worth nila. Yan. So, ang next cognitive function naman nila is extroverted intuition parent. This makes them aware about possibilities, what ifs, what might happen, awareness of the future, di ba? Other people's wants, desires, intentions, di ba? They give freedom of choice so that they will be desired and wanted by other people. And NE also makes them very inventive and original. So, same thing with Pablo. Diba kasi Pablo meron siyang NE hero. Pero ang difference is si Pablo, very logical kasi TI user siya. While si Unique naman is very much focused on the human emotions kasi he's an introverted feeler, FI user. And then yung next function niya is introverted sensing child. All about duty, all about obligation, all about loyalty, all about past experiences. And then yung inferior function niya is extroverted thinking. He's afraid of his own status and reputation. Ayan, punta naman tayo sa interaction style niya. Ano yung interaction style niya? Informative, responding, and control. And then next is yung temperament niya. Abstract siya, interest-based, and affiliative. So, last is yung four sides of the mind ng mga INFP. Meron silang INFP ego, ESTJ subconscious, ENFJ unconscious, and ISTP superego. Yan. And then, ang ka-personality naman ni Unique, fun fact lang, ang ka-personality type niya is si John Lennon ng Beatles. So, punta na tayo dun sa song na sinulat Unique. Yung title ng song nga is Bukod Tangi. Ano bang English ng Bukod Tangi, di ba? Unique. So, I think itong song na to is really about himself. So, i-check muna natin kung makikita yung personality niya through the song and interpret natin yung song afterwards. So, okay. Sabi niya dun sa song, kahit may paghiyaw sa aking pangalan. That's extroverted thinking. Pangalan, di ba, naka-attach dun yung status and reputation mo, di ba? And then, kahit naririnig ang palakpakan, introverted sensing, di ba? What he experienced, yung sensations na na-receive niya, di ba? Sense of hearing yon. And then, ramdam ko ang pag-iisa. That's the introverted feeling. He's talking about what he feels, awareness of how he feels, kahit pa na ako'y habul-habulin. Still, that's the introverted sensing one's own experience. Kahit marami mang tumatangkilik is more attached to extroverted intuition, being wanted by other people. Gusto nila yung music niya, for example. Yan, so halos nakumpleto na natin yung cognitive functions ng mga INFP. And then, ramdam ko ang pag-iisa, FI ulit yan. Ang pagkakakilanlan, that's introverted feeling. Self-identity kasi can be attached to FI or TI. Ang TI is truth about oneself, and FI is identity or truth about one's morals and feelings. Yan. Unti-unting naglalaho. That's abstract, talking about abstract concepts. Muli pa ba ako mabubuo? Abstract again. And so far, the way that he laid out yung sinulat niya is very informative kasi he's a storyteller. And ano pa ba? So, dun naman tayo sa second verse, kahit na magdamagan pang purihin. Introverted sensing, ito yung na-experience ko in the past. Kahit pa na ako ay pag-usapan. That's extroverted thinking, being talked about by other people. That's TE. Ramdam ko ang pag-iisa. That's introverted feeling. This is what I feel. And then, naulit lang yung chorus. So ngayon, interpret naman natin yung song. So overall, yung theme ng song is that he feels alone. Sabi niya nga, di ba, ramdam ko ang pag-iisa. Paulit-ulit yan dun sa song. So, bakit? I think, and personal opinion ko lang to, personal interpretation ko lang to he mistakes feeling alone with feelings of inner disconnection. Pero how can you feel disconnected with yourself, di ba? Ang hirap intindihin. Ano ba to? Astral projection ba to? Pero hindi, that's not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is oftentimes we do things out of hunger for validation, hunger for worth, and not out of authenticity. So, paano natin yung ginagawa? I'll give you examples. Halimbawa, naging engineer ka kasi gusto ng parents mo maging engineer ka. Hindi sila magiging proud sa'yo pag hindi ka naging engineer. Or nagpapayat ka, lahat ng strategies ng pagpapayat ginawa mo. Kasi pag hindi mo yung ginawa, hindi ka magugustuhan ng partner mo if you're a little bit chubbier, di ba? Or ano pa ba? Pagod ka, ang dami mong pinagkakaabalahan, pero you still said yes sa mga kaibigan mo na nagyaya, gumala, even though you really want to say no. Ayan. Ano pa ba? Or anything. Gumawa ka ng isang bagay na ayaw mo talagang gawin, pero dahil baka isipin nila, hindi ka marunong makisama, or baka i-judge ka nila, or isipin nilang selfish ka, or baka magalit sila sa'yo, kaya ginawa mo siya. So, these are the subtle ways in which we disconnect from who we really are kapag hindi tayo nakikinig sa sarili natin, kapag hindi natin in-honor yung needs natin, if we don't pause and ask na, teka, ano ba talagang stance ko dito? Or what does my inner voice say about this? And there's nothing wrong naman with wanting to be thin, wanting to be an engineer, a professional, or saying yes to friends, wanting to do things for other people. Pero, if it's coming out of hunger for acceptance, for validation, for worth, it's going to fall apart kasi hindi siya sustainable. It's only going to be sustainable if it's coming from your truth, from your authentic connection with yourself. So, dito sa kanta, I imagine or I project, he did things na out of alignment sa authentic self niya. And as a result, di ba, naging successful siya. Sabi niya, madaming humihiyaw sa pangalan niya, may mga pumapalakpak, tinatangkilik yung songs niya. He really gained validation from the outside world. Pero, no matter how much we achieve, no matter how many people like us or how many people are pleased with us, if you're losing yourself in the process and you become an empty vessel trying to please, it wouldn't matter. Sabi nga niya sa kanta, di ba, ang pagkakakilanlan, unti-unting naglalaho. he's slowly losing himself and becoming disconnected with himself. Kasi yung drive niya is not really coming from his authenticity, authentic self. It's coming out of the need to please, the need to be seen as worthy, the need to be seen as good enough. And ganyan din yung ginagawa nating lahat. That's how we all lose ourselves. Kasi sobra tayong oriented outward. So if we do every single thing so that people will like us, or para makagain tayo ng approval ng parents natin, or para we look successful in their eyes, magkakaroon tayo ng imbalance. Magkakaroon tayo ng mental disequilibrium. And it will show us loneliness, depression, anxiety, addiction, eating disorders, lahat ng mga self-destructive behaviors na yon. Kasi those are just symptoms of inner disconnect. Kasi we betrayed ourselves eh. Naging slave tayo sa outside world natin. And yung mind natin is trying to tell us na there's an imbalance here. You have to listen. Diba? You need to see how you divorce yourself or how you have disconnected from yourself. Why do we do this? Unang-una, hindi tayo aware na ginagawa natin to. Unconscious tayo. It's just a parang knee-jerk reaction sa paligid natin. Pero bakit ba ito naging automatic sa atin? Again, it can be traced back dun sa childhood natin. Nung mga bata pa tayo, we feel a sense of worth. We feel na we're good enough, we are worthy. Pero ang kinommunicate sa atin ng parents natin is, no, hindi anak. You're not worthy as you are. You're not good enough as you are. You need to be something. You have to achieve. 'Di ba? You need to be successful. 'Di ba? What are you talking about? You need to behave this way, or you need to have this career. You need to have to be happy all the time. So bata pa lang tayo, na condition na tayo to disconnect. And in turn, we become who our parents want us to be. We become who our peers want us to be. We become what society wanted us to be. And again, this is not to attack parents. They themselves have been abducted from inner worth nila, from inner knowing. And dahil wala silang true connection sa sarili nila, they won't also know how to connect with you, with us as their children. 'Di ba? Kasi sobra din silang disconnected from who they authentically are. So, paano ba ma-reclaim yung authentic self natin? Paano ba mabe-break yung generational pattern? First, you have to be aware of how you are being conditioned by your past. Ng childhood mo specifically. So, awareness na I don't know who I am. All my life, naging puppet ako, naging slave sa opinion ng ibang tao, ng parents ko, ng opinion ng society. Inabsorb ko yun lahat. Inabsorb ko lahat ng finid sa akin, hindi ko in-evaluate, hindi ako nag-attune, hindi ako nag-align, 'di ba, sa sarili ko. That's the start. Pangalawa, we aim for wholeness. Sabi nga ni Unique dun sa song, 'di ba? Muli pa ba akong mabubuo? Hindi tayo whole. Ang meron tayo is holes. Holes. We're missing the W, which is yung worth. 'Di ba? So discover who you are first. I-cultivate mo muna yung inner voice mo. It's not enough to cultivate your inner voice. You have to listen to it, 'di ba? And have that robust connection with yourself before ka mag-jump into the next relationship, the next career, the next, ano ba, pampaganda, 'di ba? Plastic surgery or the next place. Kasi pag hindi natin yung nagawa, nandoon lang tayo sa rabbit hole, paulit-ulit, we keep trying to search for our worth on the outside na hindi naman talaga natin makikita. It can only be found within. Sabi nga ni Dr. Shefari, di ba, dapat magkaroon muna tayo ng, ano ba, ano sabi niya, certificate of completion of the self. Before you have children. Kasi di ba, we don't want our children suffering the same way. Ayan, so once you develop that wholeness, that inner sense of worth by discovering who you really are, hindi mo na kailangan yung approval, validation, being like, being seen as good, being seen as successful. Hindi mo na kakailanganin yun kasi you already know who you are and you'll step more and more into your essence. And we realize na yung outside validation has really nothing to do with our sense of worth. So, ayun lang. If you haven't heard the song, I recommend na pakinggan nyo kasi for sure makaka-relate tayong lahat dito sa song na to. Kasi, ang ganda ng ginawa ni Unique kasi yung general human experience talaga, he has put into a song. So, ayan. And also, napansin ko lang din, pag napakinggan nyo yung song, mapapansin nyo na masaya yung beat ng song, pero malungkot yung lyrics. Kasi I think that's intentional sa part ni Unique kasi maybe that's also his attempt to show how we sometimes disconnect with our own emotions. Diba? We put on a plaster smile even though we really feel parang depressed or terrible inside. Kasi nga baka i-judge tayo, baka kung ano isipin nila or di nila tayo maintindihan, ma-inconvenience sila. So again, that's still being oriented outward and not tuning into our internal landscape. So ayun lang. Thank you for listening and watching. Sana may napulot kayo and see you sa next video.